Alright, hey everybody, I'm back at it again. It's been 3 weeks, a month, something like that. It's been a while. I don't live here, I live in Columbus, and I'm not able to work on my van there because I don't have a driveway or anything. So this is my mom's house and I come up here and I'm able to work on it, but I don't make it up here too often. So been pulling a little bit of double duty today. Been working on the van and also pulled the motor out of this motorcycle and took the cylinder head off. This is my brother's motorcycle. I've been helping him out. As far as the van, the bed's in. These two boards here are drilled into sheet metal down here on the bottom. And then these boards are, with these angle brackets, are connected and then drilled through the bed there. And I put these handles on. I got these at Lowe's, I believe. So the bed will pivot up. I don't have to think of something to keep it up when I need it up, but I've got storage there, and I'm actually filling this in here with 1.5 inch insulation. It'll be the same level as these 2x going across, and then I'm going to put glue on across with a T so that I can slide stuff in and out. And stuff sits level. And I got kind of a mess of stuff in here right now. My solar. So one of the things I don't like about this charge controller is that it doesn't really have a readout. It does these series of blips and blops to tell you what it's doing. When these are both flashing like that, that means it's in flow. It's doing a float charge. But you wouldn't know that unless you read the manual and remembered it. So I'm gonna make some kind of printout to put somewhere. I've got storage that's gonna go here, here, and here. They're these plastic containers I bought from IKEA that they pull out this way. It's kind of a really space-saving thing. That's about it for today. That's the progress of the day.